Yes, I was bar mitzvahed, and the certainly not in a strict Jewish home, and all the family was Jewish. Everything was Jewish. Even though I grew up in an Irish Catholic neighborhood, it was my closest friends were Jewish. I had friends that weren't, and that they were close friends, but I mean, there was a lot of mixing of culture when I was young. And I actually went to church more than I went to synagogue. I loved High Mass. I thought Christmas High Mass was you know, to coin an old phrase, the cat's meow. It was terrific. I was very unhappy when they took the Mass out of Latin. It's like, why? It's like doing, the synagogue in English. Yeah, all right, I couldn't necessarily understand the Hebrew, and I wasn't as forceful learning the language as I probably should have been. But the bottom line is, it should be done in the native language. If anything, it should have been done in Aramaic. But it was an interesting upbringing. There's no doubt about that.